prepare this, you need to pull out the bit skin that I asked you to save when I did the last video. So go get your skin. You need 1 cup of completely washed and dried beets skins, half cup of coconut oil, 2 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of organic honey. The first ingredient we are going to use is coconut oil. Guys, coconut oil is well known for many great benefits. One of the best ways to nourish your hair is with coconut oil. Your hair is protein. Coconut oil reduces protein loss. It also moisturizes and seals hair. Place a pan over low heat and add the coconut oil to it. Allow the oil to fully melt and then place in the completely washed and dried beets skins. Guys, beets have so many great benefits when also applied on hair. Carotenoids in beets promote better hair circulation in your scalp and nourish your hair follicles. Iron and electrolytes in beetroots repair damaged hair. It removes dead cells from the scalp, tighten your pores, and prevents hair breakage. It also adds body and shine to hair, fights dry scalp, itchiness, and dandruff. Guys, this is the solution you spent all your time and money looking for. Allow the beets to boil in the coconut oil for 5 minutes, then turn off the heat and set it aside to cool. Then place the mixture in a magic bullet or blender and blend it completely to come out looking just like this. Set this aside and then separate the egg whites from the yolk. You need only the egg yolk. Use a hand mixer to whisk the egg yolks until it comes out looking light and fluffy. Guys, adding egg yolk to your scalp can infuse the roots of your hair with vitamins, allowing the new hair to grow out stronger and be less prone to breakage and shedding. Now, I must advise you, if you have an egg allergy, do not use egg when preparing this. At this point, you are going to strain off the blended beets and coconut oil mixture using a tea strainer bag, allowing the strained mixture to combine with the eggs. Use your hand to squeeze the tea strainer bag to ensure that you get all of the mixture out. Guys, take a look at how red and rich this is. Throw out the residue. You don't need this. At this point, adding the organic honey to the mixture collected. Honey adds shine to hair, reduces breakage, and improves the general condition of hair. Use a hand mixer to mix everything together until it is evenly combined. Then you allow this mixture to sit on the countertop until it hardens. Guys, with the coconut oil in there, this is gonna be solid at room temperature. Take a look at the corners of these guys. You can see that it's already beginning to harden. Once this is set and hardened, use a hand mixer to mix everything together until it becomes very soft and creamy to look just like this. You can bottle this and you can actually use it just like this, or you can store this in your refrigerator until you are ready for use. After shampooing your hair, apply this to your scalp and onto the ends of your hair. Leave it on for at least 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing and styling your hair as desired. You really need to try this along with drinking your beet juice, which I shared with you in the last video. Use this as a hair support therapy. Come up with a hair routine that works for you when you use this and be consistent. That's it, my original hair support therapy. I pray that this will yield favorable results for you on your hair. Will you try it? Thank you so much for watching, liking, and supporting this channel.